If you're looking for a way to move to Canada through permanent residency, pay attention to this update. Canada has introduced a program called the Rural Community Immigration Pilot, RCIP. The RCIP is designed to help smaller communities in Canada attract skilled workers to fill labor shortages. These communities are not located everywhere. They are in selected rural areas across provinces like Pictou County, Nova Scotia, North Bay, Ontario, Sudbury, Ontario, Timmins, Ontario, Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, Thunder Bay, Ontario, Steinbach, Manitoba, Altona, Rhineland, Manitoba, Brandon, Manitoba, Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan, Claresholm, Alberta, West Kootenay, British Columbia, North Okanagan, Shuswap, British Columbia. This program is for people who have skills or work experience in occupations that are in demand in these communities. If your job falls under the required roles, you may be eligible to apply. These communities are looking for workers in areas like healthcare and social services, nurses, personal support workers, home support workers, early childhood educators, skilled trades and manufacturing, welders, mechanics, machine operators, general laborers, hospitality and food services, chefs, cooks, kitchen assistants, hotel staff, transportation and logistics, truck drivers, delivery drivers, warehouse workers, agriculture, farm workers, greenhouse workers. To apply through this program, follow these steps. Step 1, choose a community. Pick one of the participating communities that matches your job field. Step 2, prepare your CV, format your CV to Canadian standards. Keep it clear, simple and professional. Step 3, apply for jobs. Apply to designated employers in that community. These are employers approved to hire under this program. For example, in Timmins, Ontario, some employers include Extendicare, Sensenbrenner Hospital, Timmins and District Hospital, YMCA, childcare and social service organizations. Step 4, get a job offer. If an employer selects you, they will offer you a job. Step 5, community recommendation. The employer will help you obtain a recommendation letter from the community. Step 6, apply for permanent residency. You will use that recommendation letter to apply for PR. You cannot apply without a job offer. And if you don't have a skill yet, this is the time to start learning one. To qualify, you may also need relevant work experience, a language test like IELTS, proof of funds, valid documents. This program is not automatic. You must meet the requirements and follow the correct process. This video is based on current available information. I am not an immigration officer. I simply do research and share helpful information. Please also verify from official sources. If you want my next video where I explain how to apply step by step and how to fill the forms correctly, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss it.